Hi kids, today we will learn about animal names. Which animal is this?
This is a lion. Lion.
Which animal is this?
This is an elephant. An elephant.
Which animal is this?
This is a fox. A fox.
Which animal is this?
This is a wolf. Wolf.
Which animal is this?
This is a zebra. Zebra.
Which animal is this?
This is a jaguar. Jaguar.
Which animal is this?
This is a hyena. A hyena.
Which animal is this?
This is a crocodile. Crocodile.
Thanks for watching.